Alright, so I just found something. So I was like, these are some basic pedals. Dodge, they always cut corners somewhere. They put it in a box. They're just like, then they just snap-ons, I guess, right? I guess this whole thing gets replaced. Oh, alright. Well, that's interesting. Why I gotta do this? Why wasn't this done for me? Dodge, come on, Dodge. What are we doing, bro? This shouldn't, wow, it's crazy. Okay, so I got this top part on. Hope y'all can see. I got the, bro, what the this shit hurt. Oh, Lord. Come on, bro. Oh, it did come with instructions. Look at this. We got instructions, y'all. Thanks, Dodge. At least you provided instructions on something that y'all should have fucking did. Oh, my gosh. What is this? What do I need? I need a bucket of something. Okay, flathead. I have A and B. Take this shit off and throw it in the motherfucking trash, because this is fucking trash. Oh, I need to dip this in water. Soap. Oh, y'all see that? It says soap. Soap. I'm assuming that's water. Hot water, I imagine. Use pliers to do this. B just fucking clips on. Thanks, Dodge. Chrysler, whatever. Fuck out of here. Okay. We're gonna go do this because now I'm like super fucking irritated and pissed, and I'm not gonna allow this to defeat my night. So we're gonna go do this right now, and it's 11:20. Okay, we're gonna go do this. Let's go. Say how much. We got the soap, we got the flathead. Let's give it a shot. Let's figure this out. Shitty ass instructions. It didn't say. Oh shit, that's hot. Oh shit. It didn't say how long, or not long. Hopefully I do this right. Okay, come on, Dodge. I read the instructions. It said to do something like this. I'm gonna stab myself. Oh my, fuck. Okay, all right, Dodge, we're back. It says use pliers at the top part. That's all it says. Okay, whatever. Back in the water. Okay, and we got soapy hands. We got the steam coming. Just to, I don't fucking know. Why is this so fucking difficult? I'm sure y'all have a better way of fucking doing this. I feel like the bottom should go on first. But of course, it doesn't say that. Ouch. I think I need to wear gloves for this. Okay, back in the water. Oh, I got it. Sorry, y'all. Y'all didn't see that. Then, so it goes like this. I don't fucking know. This has to be the, okay, maybe we're getting somewhere. I don't really know. I think so. The ends aren't on just yet. At least the bottom's not on. Okay, I think I need a shorter flag. I don't know. I don't know. Okay, there we go. Nope, that wasn't it. You're getting close. You don't give up. Okay, did I get it? No. It shit felt like it though. Pretty sure you have to do this whole thing by feel anyways. I don't know, yeah. I feel like the bottom has to go on first. Is that like it was specified? Okay, well the bottom's in. Alright, I'm bringing out this. I mean, I don't really know what else. Back in the water. The lukewarm water. Gosh. 15,000th time is the try. This has to be the one. So we're starting from the bottom. Feels like the bottom's on there. Who knows though? No. Oh shit. I'm about to give up, y'all. I am about to give up. Get it? No? I'm saying it, y'all. Stupid. Alright. After, I don't know, the 30th attempt, it's 11:50. I think I got it on, but I have no idea. Let's see. So, that bottom part's not on all the way. So, I guess I should probably try and do it. I don't know. Alright, I just used this baby screwdriver to get the rest of that bottom. So it's on. Still wiggles, but yeah. It's crazy how cheap those are. Come on, Dodge. Then I still have to figure this out. I think it just clips on though. Okay. So looks like it goes like this. Come on. Oh, that's what it says. Gosh, these are such shitty instructions. I don't know. We're gonna figure this out. There we go. We're in there. Cheap ass shit, but we're in there. You can't even tell. You guys are all fooled.